Here is the hot cocoa station. Okay, so the whole feel. You've got Santa, North Pole, sled. Oh, look, one of Santa's reindeers. Oh, I'm coming home for the holidays. You know what? My mom used to make the best hot cocoa. We've got some we've got some little chocolates in here. Some little peppermint bark whatevers. Some little candy canes. It looks like Santa has some like Medusa hair going on. In the back here, we have a little basket full of hot cocoa, French vanilla, some Starbucks little instant doodads. Then we've got some marshmallows. I got this little bottle at Target. It was $1. It was just empty and plain. And then I put this sticker on that I also got in the dollar section at Target. It says peace, love, and joy. Then I got this little doodad from Target as well. The straws are from Target, and yes, they are real. You can use them. Then we have the sign that I got from my friend's little Etsy shop, the Rustic Creations. You look very beautiful. She does have 15% off right now for the holidays, so I will leave that link down below if you guys didn't check it out in our last vlog when we got it, but it says believe. So you're like getting the whole Santa vibe here. You know, you got your Santa, you've got a snowman. Then over here, you need a little bit of peace in your life. You've got some skis because we live in Tahoe, so it's gotta be like fest, you know what I mean? Plus Santa and like, I don't know, it just goes. And then we got some little pine cones, keeping with the whole Tahoe snowy like winter theme. We move on over to here. I had to move Laura down. I'm sorry, Laura, but you're with a little bird now. We got some Cadbury, they're like the Cadbury cream eggs, but they're not eggs, they're just balls, and they're like Santa or a Christmas, which is really cool. And then I got a little mug, oh, I've had that forever, I got it for Jay, with more straws. And then these little things used to have the pine cones in them. I added little stickers, and then I just added some chocolates in there, and little candy canes in there. There's a Netgear box behind here. But I have a little Noel sign, and I need batteries because it lights up, so it'll look really cute when we get batteries in it. And then my little tree, and then the ugly, bleh. That's so annoying. And then our stockings are up here. Look at that one. I got that one at Target today. Isn't that gorgeous? We had one extra stocking to hang. So those are those. Our little stockings, which I love. Then I got these cute little Christmas cone trees with some candles on either side of the TV. Those were $3 at Target. I got this gorgeous little,
I love that little,
look at that. It's like Bambi right there. Then I got this one that says Noel. This is my favorite. Lily picked it out. It's a little fox, and it's so fluffy. Gosh, and cute. So cute. Look at that. It really is soft. It's so soft. It's like the softest little thing ever. Look how cute that is. And then we also got the little reindeer right here, which is very cute. This little guy. There's one more that I got. Oh, this feather. Oh, and the star, the feather and the star, which are like all sparkly and beautiful. And then over here, we have the little reindeer, which I've showed you guys before. I got little lights and put them in the lanterns and in that, but that one doesn't look very bright. And then I got this really gorgeous marble tree with the little wood base, which I love. And then, I love this song, by the way. It's my favorite Christmas song. Isn't that pretty? I love it. It's like so Tahoe-ish and Christmassy and North Pole-y. Sleep in heavenly peace. We're festive today. I'm super excited how everything turned out. I think it's really, really adorable. How do you guys like it? I love our little hot cocoa station. Phoenix was helping me put it together while Lily was napping, and he was like so excited. And I just think it's really fun and festive. So, hope you guys enjoyed my little Christmas tour. I'm super excited. I still have a few more things that are coming that I ordered online, but they're not gonna be here for like probably a week or something. Like I got some pillows and things like that, but I'm really excited. I'm really excited by the stuff I got today at Target. It was really, really, they have some really cute stuff. You guys should definitely check it out if you haven't already. That is our little Christmas house tour. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for watching.